Hello children, today we are going to learn about Animal Kingdom. See who has come to meet you? Baloo the bear.
Hi friends, I am Baloo the bear. Don't be afraid of me. I will tell you about my animal friends and about my animal kingdom. Let us first meet with our domestic animals. Animals who can live and grow with you in your homes and farms and can be tamed is known as domestic animals. You have already learned about them in the video of Visit to Animal Farm. We will just have a quick recap of them.
Domestic animals. Cats. Cats are also known as pet animals as people keep them in their homes for their company and entertainment. Baby of a cat is known as kitten. Dogs are pet animals and baby of a dog is known as puppy. Ducks, cows, donkeys, horse, sheep, goat, pig, and camels are all domestic animals.
Now, children, let us go and meet our wild animals. Do you know who all are wild animals? Animals, those who live in jungle, are known as wild animals. Come with me and see these wild animals. Come on. This is lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. It has sharp claws and teeth.
And baby of a lion is known as cub. This is tiger. Tigers are also known as big cats. And the baby of a tiger is known as cub.
Tiger is the national animal of India.
Giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest animal in the world.
It is well known for its super long neck and its baby is known as calf.
It usually sleeps standing. Elephants. Elephants are large, majestic animals. They have long, powerful trunks. Baby of an elephant is known as calf. Bear. Children, bears are the extraordinarily intelligent animals, and the baby of a bear is known as cub. This is hippopotamus, and the baby of a hippo is known as calf. It has a very thick skin and a big mouth. This is deer, and the baby of a deer is known as fawn. These are kangaroos, and the baby of a kangaroo is known as joey. The well-known fact about the kangaroos is that they have a special pouch to carry their babies. These are monkeys, and the baby of a monkey is known as infant. Fox, and the baby of a fox is known as cubs or pups. This is zebra, and the baby of a zebra is known as colt or foal. This is rhinoceros, and the baby of rhinoceros is known as calf.
Hope you all enjoyed the company of my animal friends. Remember, children, you should never hurt animals and you should always try to save them. Save animals, save trees, and save earth.
It takes nothing away from a human to be kind to an animal. Thank you.